Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Stealth 600 Gen 3 with your iOS device. You have to start by open settings and now go to Bluetooth. After that, right here at the left ear cup we have this power button. So press and hold it to turn on your headphones. And now, if you have this green LED light right here, we should change to Bluetooth mode, because right now we in the different mode. So press this button one time and it change color to blue. After that, press and hold this Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Here we go. And now we can see it at the device list, so just click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!